This video will give you a general overview of blended learning. You will learn what blended learning is, why you should use it, and how you can implement it. In this part of the video, we will explain what blended learning is and how you and we can benefit from blended learning. Blended learning combines two models: a regular classroom setting where the teacher is delivering content in a face-to-face situation, and online teaching where students can learn from wherever they are. The blended learning setting changes the teacher's role. He now takes over the role of a coach and is not exclusively a deliverer of knowledge. Regardless of the teaching method, the focus should always be placed on achieving learning goals. Blended learning can offer various benefits. We would like to focus on three of them for now. Firstly, blended learning enables and encourages individual learning processes. This is possible because content is accessible via different sources, as for instance through learning videos or online presentations. This way, students are able to learn according to their own speed and preferred learning style. They may pause at their discretion or consult further resources. This motivates students right from the start of the semester, as they take an active role and are no longer simple consumers of knowledge. Secondly, blended learning makes individual feedback possible. This is attainable by using formative online tests. Depending on students' answers, tutors can identify hidden problem areas and knowledge gaps. Therefore, tutors can take up these problems during their lectures and provide individual feedback. Thirdly, blended learning facilitates new forms of interaction. For example, online forums where students may discuss problems and place remaining questions. This makes interaction apart from attendance time possible. To sum up shortly, blended learning takes teaching to a higher level by making use of the digital infrastructure that nowadays dominates our life. Now we would like to present one possible blended learning model to you and show how it could be implemented at the University of St. Gallen. It is called the three phases model. As you might guess, it is a teaching concept that consists of three phases. In the first phase, students prepare online before the lecture takes place. Students acquire the necessary knowledge through self-study by means of provided learning goals and online materials, such as learning videos or online presentations. 1 week before the tutorial takes place, students complete an online test for evaluating their level of knowledge. This test does not have an influence on students' grades, but functions as an orientation for the students as well as for the tutors. At the same time, students can leave their questions in an online forum and discuss them with their peers. Phase 2 takes place in a classroom and is characterized by attendance time, where the focus lies on students' problems. There might be a short recapitulation of subjects that the majority of students struggled with during the online test. The third phase consists of a transfer task. For instance, this could be another online test that has influence on students' grades, or the implementation of an assessment for students as an exam preparation. This approach is mainly supported by the digital infrastructure, as preparation and transfer are taking place online. To sum up this video, blended learning combines attendance time and online teaching. Blended learning offers several benefits. It enables and encourages individual learning processes, makes individual feedback possible, facilitates new forms of interaction, and saves time. The following video will provide a deeper and more practical insight into blended learning. In addition, it will enable you to implement basic structures of blended learning into your own course.